Your pivot table shows you all the data, but professionals only want to focus on top performers, highest and lowest values, and a clean professional layout. Let's learn how to highlight what really matters, smart sorting, and a clean professional layout of our pivot table. Let's see how. Here I have a pivot table. In this pivot table, we are having sum of total sales by product. Let's see, we want to see what are the top 3 performers in terms of product, in terms of total sales. Let's see how. Here I will click on this filter. I will go to value filters. I will click on top 10. From this menu, we will select top 3. I will make it to 3, top 3 items. By, it is your choice if you want to see top 3 products by sum of their unit price, sum of units sold, or sum of total sales. We will select it sum of total sales. Press OK, and now we have got our top 3 products in terms of total sales. The next thing is sorting. Let's suppose we have total sales by all products, and you want to see or you want to sort what is the highest selling product or what is the lowest selling product in terms of sales. I'll click here. I will do right click and go to sort, and you see that we have 2 options: sort by smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Let's see. I am selecting from smallest to largest. Now I am able to see which product is having lowest sales and which product is having the highest sales. The next thing is that a clean professional layout is really important for our pivot tables. Let's see how we can make a clean professional layout. Let's suppose we also have regions. Now we have region-wise data, region-wise, product-wise data. How we can make a good professional layout? Click on pivot table, go to design, and then see you have options, many options to switch on and off. Let's start from the subtotals. This option is showing that do not show the subtotals. Once I will click it, and you can see that now I don't have subtotals. I am only having the grand total at the end of the pivot table. Once I make it on the top of the group, now I am able to see the sum of the total, also the sum of subtotals at the end of each category. Let's see what are the other options we have. So show subtotals at the top of each group, and now you can see the sum of total sales at the top of each group. Here we have grand totals. If you want to turn off or turn on grand totals for rows and columns, you also have this option. The next is report layout. We have many layout for the report. Let's see what is in compact form. See, in outline form, we have this kind of professional layout. Once I make it, then you can see that what makes difference. Let's check another layout that is in tabular form. See, this is also a really professional layout. By selecting these options, we are able to bring our simple pivot table into a professional and clean layout. Also, we can click banded rows for more clarity, row headers for more clarity. That's all for today. In next video, we shall try to make a mini dashboard using our pivot table. See you in the next one.